Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Aisha Fatima. I'm studying in grade 8 of Chanakya tutorial, and my school is in Hyderabad, New Camry School, CBSC board, and I'm happy to study in Chanakya tutorial.
You're in 8. You are in class 8.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Now next, Prithvik.
My name is Ritwik. My name is Ritwik and I would like to study in Chanakya tutorial. And I am in grade 3. My school is in Hyderabad and my school name is Santa Maria.
Okay. Now your turn, Ranch.
And I am studying in 4th class of Nassar School in Gachipavli.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, which one is your favorite subject? Who is going to tell me?
Can I, Advika?
Yes.
My favorite subject is math.
Okay. Hi, Advika. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Aisha, your favorite subject?
Ma'am, my favorite subject is science.
And Rutvik?
My favorite subject is English.
English. Okay. And Ranch,
Ma'am,
your
my
favorite?
favorite subject is English.
Yeah, that's great. And Ranch, your favorite subject?
Maths, ma'am.
Maths. Okay. So out of you four, only Ryansh is there who likes maths. Okay. So now let's start our work. I'm going to give you one question and you have to solve. And I think Advika can solve it very easily. Right? Let's start. Just a second. Huh? Hi Praganya. Start your video.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Start your video.
Okay, ma'am.
I cannot see you on the screen. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one question and you have to solve. Okay. And it's your choice whether you are using it mentally or you are using pen, paper, anything. Right? Adrika, don't show it now. Okay. So let's start. 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 1. Answer.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
How many of you get the answer? How many of you got the answer? Tell me.
Can you tell the question?
Except, yeah, this is my, that is what I'm trying to say. Rutvik, what happened? Where is your attention?
Ma'am, can you tell the question again?
Yeah, everybody is saying, ma'am, can you tell the question again? Can you tell the question again? But Advika got the answer. See, this is the difference. Advika, how did you get the answer?
First, I was gonna write, but I thought that if I'll do in hand, then I would have a practice. 2 plus 2 minus 1 minus 3, somewhat like that, plus 5. So I got the answer as 8.
Okay, so 8 is the correct answer. That's great. Okay, now I'm not going to repeat the question. I will tell you the way you can get the answer. Okay, so how many hands do you have?
2 hands, ma'am.
2 hands, right? On these 2 hands, up to which number you can count?
10 approximately.
Only 10?
Ma'am, like
Two.
30.
We have two.
Okay, with 30.
Yeah,
Ritvik,
30.
up to which number you can count by using these 2 hands? No, Advika, no, not you.
Ma'am, 30.
30. Riyansh,
Out. Yes, ma'am.
up to which number you can count by using these two hands?
30, ma'am.
Only 30. Praganya, you?
Ma'am, I can count 10 numbers with hands.
10. And Aisha, you?
Ma'am, I said 30.
Okay, now I'm going to tell you the way. By using, you can count up to 99, right? So where is your right hand? Everybody raise your right hand. I want to see right hand. Riyansh, show me your right hand. Praganya, show me your right hand. Yes. See, your right hand will be opposite to my right hand. Okay, so don't get confused. Make one on this hand. One like this. Now two. Praganya, make two. No, close your thumb. See, my thumb is closed. Yes. Now 3, 4. Now how do you make 5? Like this. But from today you will make 5 like this. Okay. This is your 5. Then 5 and 1, 6. Make 6 like this. Like you smile. Okay. Now you are not going to remember all these numbers now. So let's start it again. And now I'm going to tell you any symbol for each and every number. Make 1 again. Like we say now, God is one. Ritvik and Ryansh. I'm going to ask all the questions, you know. So don't try to think in my class. You can waste your time. Make 1. Dash, show me your 1. Yes. And you are using wrong hand. Do you know this thing? Yes. Now 2, 3, 4. Again. 1. Like we say, God is one. Now 2. When you these days when you click the selfie or you take any photo, you make like this now. What is this sign? V.
It's peas.
Peace, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Peace out something.
it's victory. Okay, now 3.
Okay, ma'am.
3. Can you say this? M. When you go to MACD, you see the sign. Okay, now 4.
Yes, ma'am.
We always say cow has 4 legs. Do we say like this?
And ma'am, 3 can also be W.
W, yes, that's great. Now 5. This is your 5. When you go for your exam, your mama says all the best. Do the best. So this is your 5. Okay. From today, this is your 5. Now 5 and 1, 6. Now 5 and 2, 7. 5 and 3, 8. Octopus has got how many legs?
8.
Now 5 and 4, 9. 9 says bye bye. Now Riyansh is going to tell all the numbers. Riyansh, start.
1, 2, 3.
No, wrong. This is not the way we are making the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Correct. Now Ritvik, you are going to tell all the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. Now Praganya.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now how do you write 10? So for this, I'm going to share my screen and you have to see. Okay, just give me a second. See, just a second. I'm going to share my screen. Can you see the whiteboard on my screen?
Ma'am, it's loading, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, I can see now.
So here, this is the way
Yeah,
we
ma'am,
write
I
10.
can see, ma'am.
This is the way we write 10. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here, on which side 1 is coming?
Left side, ma'am.
Exactly. Or on which side 0 is coming?
Right.
So on your left hand, make 1. On your
Yes, ma'am.
left hand, make 1. On your right hand, make 0 like this. On the hand you made 9, make this 9 0. And 1 0, 10. Perfect. This is how we show 10. Okay. Praganya, show me your 10. Ritvik, show me your 10. The way you are dancing, Ritvik. Show me your 10. Very good. Ryansh, 10. Advika, 10. Yes, good. Now, who is going to tell me how can you make 11?
Ma'am, like this.
Very good. See, the way we write the number, in the same way we make the number 1, 1, 11. Okay. Who is going to make 12? Very good, Ryansh. Now, Ryansh is taking interest. Very good, Aisha. Praganya correct. Advika correct. Ritvik, where is your 12? Show me your 12. 1, 2, 12. Perfect. Now 13. Very good. 14. Perfect. Now who will make 15?
Ma'am, like this.
Very good. Perfect. 16.
Ma'am, like
Dash,
Ma'am,
is it correct? You are, it is still 15. How you are going to make 16?
ma'am, like this, I guess.
Yes, Aisha, correct. Dansh, this is 5. For 6, 6, 1, 6, 16. This is how you have to make. Make 6 on your hand. Yes. Rutvik, is it 16? Correct, Praganya. Correct, Advika. Ritvik, show me your 16. Yes. Now 17. 17. Perfect. Ryansh, it's not correct. It's not 17. Yes, now it's correct. 18. 19. 2020.
Ma'am,
Yes, now let's play a game. Let's see how quick you are. Roll your hand. Let's start a game. Everybody roll your hand.
20.
20. Perfect. Roll your hands. Fast. Fast. I'm going to check your concentration. Fast. Slow. Now fast. And make 5 on your hand. 5. Very good. Okay, again. Roll your hand. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Roll your hands. Hi, Ananya.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Roll your hand and make 1. Perfect. Now again, roll your hands. Roll your hands and make 2. Very good. 2. Perfect, perfect. Now again, roll your hands. Roll your hands. Make 6. See, you are right on thinking. Very good, very good. Now again, roll your hands. I'm telling you the difference between 2 and 6. This is 2 and this is 6. See, 2 fingers are used in making 2 and 2 fingers are used here also. But the difference is here you are using thumb and index finger. Here you are using only 2 fingers. So that is why again and again I'm telling you all the numbers to clear your confusion. Okay, again roll your hands and make 3. Again roll your hands, make 7. Perfect. Roll your hands and make 4. Perfect. Again roll your hands and make 9. You have to learn all these numbers, okay? Now let's start some more numbers. We have done till 20, 21. Show me your
Is
21.
this right?
Yes, perfect. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Ma'am, like this.
Great. 34.
30.
You have to listen very carefully. 34. Very good. 37. Very good, Rutvik. 39. No problem, Ananya. 39. And 4040. Ritvik, yeah, now it's correct. Now 55. Let's see.
Ma'am, like this, I think.
Yes, Aisha. Yes, now Ryan's correct. Ritvik, make 55. No, 5. See, when you will write 55, you will write 5 on the both side, na? On the one hand, you are making 9. Yes, now it's correct. Okay, 66.
66.
66.
66.
Good. Now 71. Very good, Aisha. 71. Ritvik, Praganya, it's wrong. Advika, it's correct. On one hand, 7. On the other hand, you have to make 1. Now, 75. Okay. 79. Very good, Riyansh. You got all the numbers. Okay, now 81. Perfect. Now 84. 88. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. Okay. Now, what about 100? You cannot make 100 because there are 3 digits in 100, 100. So you cannot use your hands to make 100. So now we are going to use abacus tool. Can you see this abacus tool on my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, here I will annotate. We always start our work from center rod. See, I'm going to give you details. There are 5 dots on your abacus tool. You have to listen to me very carefully. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are more on my tool, but on your tool, this will not be there. These and these 2 dots. 5 dots will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
And ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We need abacus, right, to practice?
Yes, you need abacus. Today it's okay, but from the
Okay.
next class you need. So on this center rod. Okay, now can you see these lines on your abacus tool? These are rods. Okay, and these are lower beads, the yellow one, and these are upper beads. Okay. Now
Which are the heaven beats? Like we used to say heaven.
no need to say heaven or earth beads. It's simply lower beads and upper beads. Okay.
Okay.
In the lower portion, there are 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each value is having the value of 1. Each bead. Okay. If you move one bead like this, on your hand you make one like this, but on abacus tool you touch one bead to the value bar. Where is value bar?
Ma'am, in the between, ma'am.
This is your, yes, the line you see on your tool. This is your value bar. Okay. So now if you touch one bead, this is 1. If you touch 2 beads together, this is 2. If you remove all 2 beads, if no bead is touching this value bar, what is the value?
Ma'am, it's 10, I think. 10.
0.
Ma'am.
0.
Yes. So how you are going to make 3? You will touch 3 beads.
3 beads.
Okay. Now 4, you will touch 4 beads.
Ma'am, for 5, only the first upper bead.
For 5, only upper bead.
And
Okay.
we should put down
Now,
the...
for 6. On your hand, how do you make 6? See, the all lower 4 beads are like your 4 fingers. And the upper bead is like your thumb. Right?
Yes,
now, how did you make 6? 5 and 1. This is your 6 now. So, on tool, 1, 5 and 1 lower bead. 1 upper bead and 1 lower bead. This is the 6. Okay. Now, how you are going to make 7? Tell me.
Ma'am, one more bead we should add from the down.
Ma'am, we should add one more bead.
Exactly. So, 1 from lower side, 1 from upper side, 2 from lower side. This is your 7. See, 5 and 2, 7. This is how you make 7 now?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is your 7 on tool. 2 beads from lower side, 1 from upper side. Okay. Now, how you are going to make 8?
Ma'am, we should add one more bead from the...
No, you have to tell me how many beads from lower side, how many from upper side.
Okay, ma'am. 5, 1 from upper side and 3 from lower side.
Exactly. Okay, how you are going to make 9?
5 from upper, 1 from upper side, 4 from lower side.
Perfect. Now, how you are going to make 10?
Ma'am, for 10, which is the next to this, row.
See, this is your 1st rod now.
Yeah, in the 10th
Now,
rod, we should move one
this is
bead.
your 10th rod. This is your 100, 1000 and so on. Okay. So, the way we write the numbers, while writing 10, 1 on the 10th place and 0 on the 1's place. So, 1, 0, 10. This is how you are going to make 10. Now, how many of you are having your abacus tool?
Ma'am, I have it.
Ranch? No? Praganya? Ritvik? No? Okay, no problem.
I'm gonna get it on Monday.
No problem, no problem. Now, I'm going to tell you how to solve the questions, okay? Wait.
I'm like, we should start from basic only, right? Like 2 plus 2, 5 plus 4.
Now, I asked one question in the starting. Okay. Ritvik, Ryansh, Praganya. Listen to me very carefully. In the starting, I asked you one question. 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 5 plus 2. What is the number on the tool?
8, ma'am. It's 8.
Ritvik, you don't have to talk, okay? What is the answer? 8. Now, how did I get it? See, whenever I say plus or add, you have to bring the bead and you have to touch it from the to the value bar, like 2. When I say plus 2, you have to bring 2 more beads. You have already 2. Now you have to bring 2 more beads. And you have to touch to the value bar. Now plus 5, you will bring down upper bead. Okay, now minus 2. So remove 2 beads. Minus 5, remove upper bead. Plus 1. Now what is the answer?
3, ma'am.
So just give me a second, okay? Okay, so if you're not, see how many, you are not having your tool now, still you can solve all the questions, right? Now what we can do, we can think all the beats in your
Sorry, madam, to disturb you. Is there any app available so that we can download it and they
yes
can
ma'am,
use it?
on your phone it is available.
Can you tell the link for iOS so that I can
For
download it?
iOS I think there's no app, but still I will search today.
Okay, sure.
For Android I know, but for iOS I will search today. Okay, so now what you have to do, everybody close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now, can you imagine your mama's face?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Everybody show me your response. You can show me your thumbs up. Now, can you imagine my abacus tool? You have to imagine only center rod. Don't imagine other beads, other rods. Just imagine the center rod. How many beads are there in lower portion?
4.
Perfect. How many beads are there in upper portion?
1.
Very good. Now, can you see the center dot also?
Yeah, ma'am, we can imagine.
Yeah, bead should be away from the value bar. Upper bead should be in upper portion, lower bead should be in lower portion. Now with your left hand, again and again I'm telling you which hand you have to use, left. While operating the tool, you have to use left hand only. Okay. So with your left hand, imagine the tool in front of you and with your thumb, move one bead. Move one bead and touch it to the value bar.
Ma'am, from the lower part, right?
Yes.
Okay.
One bead up. Eyes closed. Ritvik, eyes closed. Ritvik, eyes closed and one bead up. One more bead up. One more bead up. Bring upper bead down. What is the answer?
It's 9.
No, it's not 9.
8.
Ma'am, it would be
It's
9.
8. Perfect. It's 8. Again, clear the beads. Pinch out. When I say clear the beads, you have to remove all the beads. Pinch out. Clear. Now look at me. See, stop doing your work and look at me. I will show you how to do it. This is my left hand. Okay. I am closing my eyes. This is how I take abacus position. See, 2 beads up. Plus 2 more beads up. Plus 5 upper bead down. Minus 2 lower beads down. Minus 1 more bead down. My answer is 6. This is how you have to do. Okay. Yes, Advika, your question?
Ma'am, if we 4 plus 1, then it becomes 9, right?
No,
For that,
I will tell you, don't worry.
Okay, ma'am, but like we are just moving 4 bits up. If the question is like move 5 bits up, like how we should?
I will tell you one by one, don't worry. See, first we learn all the unit digit direct, right? Like you have lower 4 beats, how to use lower 4 beat, upper beat, 5, 6, 7. Then how to remove all these numbers. After that, I'm going to tell you how to add, like you have used all lower beats and you have to add one. How you are going to add? Like 4 plus 1. So for that, we start using complements, okay? So one by one, step by step, you are going to learn. If I will tell you today only, na everything, you will say, no, I don't like it and I'm not going to learn it. You're not going to like it. Okay. Now, very good, Rutvik. You got your tool very fast. Okay. Let's do one more question. Close your eyes. Okay. 2 beats up. Now, one more beat up. One more beat up. What is the answer?
4.
4.
Riyansh, did you get your answer? Sure. You don't have to use any pen and paper or pencil. You have to do it mentally, okay? Because I'm going to increase my speed. 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 5. Answer is 4. This is how we have to maintain. This is the speed we have to maintain, okay? Okay. Now, today I'm going to tell you some work. Open your copy. You need pen and paper.
Yes, ma'am.
And put the heading. Draw the beads. This is the first work we have to learn. You have to draw 2 rods and this is your value bar. And this is the center dot. Okay, this is your 1's rod, this is your 10's rod. If I write 1, how will you draw 1? You have to draw 1 bead. Okay. If I say 2, now you have to tell me. I'm
2
making the
beats.
rods. You also make the rods.
And then we have to write 2 beads.
Very good.
Ma'am, today we are going to use only ones and tens.
Yes. No, not only, we are going to use only ones.
Okay.
Draw these beads.
So the number which is written down 1, 2, 3, 4, we have to represent that number.
Yes, 1 to 9, you have to represent all the numbers. What's happening?
Ma'am finished in
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Done, ma'am.
done. Wait, let others do. Then I will show you the answers. Okay.
Ma'am,
What? Who has done?
Riyansh, ma'am.
Then you have done. Ritvik, Praganya, have you done? Advika, have you done? Do it fast.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes. Wait.
I'm done.
Wait. Ritvik. Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm going to show the answers. See, 1 for 2. How you are going to make 2?
Ma'am, 2
1
bits from the lower
and
side.
2. Yes, 2 beads from the lower side. For 3, this
3
is the 3.
bits.
1, 2, 3. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how 5? You have to draw 5 beads. 1,
No,
2,
ma'am, no,
3,
ma'am.
4, 5 like this.
1 bit
Then,
from the upper side.
yes, only 1 bead in upper portion. Now 6. 5 and 1, 6. Now 5, 6, 7. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how you have to make 9. Right? Now, what about 10?
Ma'am, 1 bit at the 10th place, 10th side. Draw.
See, ones and tens. If I write 10, how do I write 10? 1, 0, 10. In the
Yes,
same way, I have to make 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay.
And ma'am, for 20, we have to put 2 bits.
Wait, I'm
That's
telling
all.
you. This is
Okay,
your
ma'am.
10. Now, if I say 11, see, you have to check the numbers only. Where it is written 1, you have to draw 1 bead. Again 1. If it is written 12, on which rod, where it is written 1, here you will draw 1 bead here. Here it is written 2, you will draw 2 beads. This is 1 to 12. Okay. Now giving you more work. Do it. Then we'll give you more work.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Deansh, have you done? Good. And who is still doing? Advika, you are still doing? Ritvik, have you done? Aisha, have you done? Start
Yeah,
your
ma'am.
video.
Yes, ma'am. Mine is done.
And where is Praganya? Advika, have you done? Or still doing? No? Do it fast. I'm giving you time. Ritvik, have you done? Do it. I'm giving you time.
I'm gonna see mine.
Yes, very good, very good.
Ma'am, for 20, 2 bids on the 10th place
Yes,
from the
yes,
lower side.
correct, correct, correct. Ritvik, Priyansh, and Advika, do it fast. You have
Ma'am, I'm
already done.
done.
You have already done. No problem. Ritvik, Advika, finish it fast. Done, Advika? Ritvik, we are waiting for you only.
Yes, ma'am, done. Ma'am, I'm showing mine.
You have, okay. Next page.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, Advika, very good. Done, Ritvik, show me. Okay, now I'm drawing here, okay? Match your answers.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done with
This is
this and this.
13. This is 14. Now for 15. This is 15. 16. 17. Then 18 here. Then it's 19. And then this is 20. Match your answers.
For me, it's correct, ma'am.
All correct.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ritik, all correct.
Also.
Riyansh, all correct. Good. Now next. Now start doing this. This will be the last work of the class. Okay. And you have your next class tomorrow at 8 a.m. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And I hope you will be having your abacus tool, and I will try to share the link of the app. Okay. Once you finish the work, show me Fatima, Aisha, sorry. Very good, Aisha. Aisha, you can leave the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Once you finish your work, you can start leaving the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Where is Advika? Advika, I cannot see you. Now let's see who is going to be the last one to finish the work. Ritvik, you are very talkative. Done? Show me. Show me. You have to touch all the beats from the value bar. Okay. See, like if you are making 21, it should be touched here, like in this way. Okay. This is 21. There should not be any gap between your beats. If you're making 22, you have to do this work again. Okay, Riyansh? Like this. Right? Now you can leave the class.